Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the SIBO, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, the big news today is the VIX settlement for July. The market opened down this morning, down small. It's since rallied. We had Morgan Stanley, Wells Fargo issued a bit of disappointing earnings. At least that's how it was being taken pre-open. They are now trading back up over $1 off of their lows, getting closer and closer to unchanged on the day there. S&P is now up small. But the opening print in the VIX was 23.48. So that was down a little over 50 cents from where the future was the night before, down 40 cents from where the cash was. It was a bit on the low end for what you would have expected. The VIX print takes traded prices. So it looks at all of the opening trades in August S&P 500 options. So every strike will trade in August, and it'll take those strikes and throw them into the same calculation that the VIX cash usually uses, but the VIX cash is calculated off midpoints. The midpoint between the bid and the offer. The final VIX settlement is calculated off the traded prices. So what we saw the puts and calls go up a bit closer to the bid than you would have expected on the big trades on the open, and that's how we came out with 23.48. The VIX cash is now down around 23.40, but the market's rallied 5 or 6 points since then. In VIX trading today, August continues to be the hot month of trading. We've seen volatility come down the past week. Early in the week, they quoted the August 27.5 straddle, and it traded for 450 on the bid. Today, it traded for 430 on the bid, and they came out asking for more bids, and the highest bid was 410 at the time. You could kind of feel volatility bottom out after that. People came to buy in the next 3 orders. They bought the 22 half puts, they bought the 45 calls, they bought the 30 calls. So that 430 trade and the trades around then were about the bottom of volatility on the day, and now we've seen some buyers come back in. These price levels are a little bit more attractive for them. This is Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1. The VIX print in July, 23.48.